Hey everyone, I'm Saeed. Welcome back to MathLand. Today we are solving this problem together. Find the red area. Looks impossible, right? Let's label these two triangles here and here as A and B, and this square and this square. Let's call it as S. Here is the trick. Let's call the whole big triangle as T and donate its area as A sub T. Then A sub T is equal to A sub A plus A sub S here plus A sub B here. Then AT equals to 1/2 times the base, which is 12, times the height, which is 6, equals, hey, please subscribe me, 72 over 2 equals to 36. We know that A sub S, that is the area of this square, equals to this side here, that I want to call that S, and this side S, this side here S, times this side here S, that will be S squared. Okay, A sub A, that means area of this triangle up here is equal to 1/2 times base, that is called this side S, times height, this leg here. We know that total height of big triangle is 6 from there to there. The side length of a square is S, that you can see. This is S, 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 and S. So the height of the small triangle here above a square is simply 6 minus S. Okay. A sub B equals 1/2 times the height, that is S, this triangle down here. Height is S, times the base. We know that the total base of the big triangle, the whole triangle, is 12. Then this part here, from there to there, there to there, will be simply 12 minus S. Now let's put everything together. We got the area of big triangle equals, as you can see, A of a square, that is here, square of S, plus the area of this little triangle up here, that is 1/2 times S times 6 minus S, plus area of this lower triangle down here, 1/2 times S times 12 minus S, equals to 36, that we calculate here. Now expand these equations and we will have S squared plus 1/2 times S times 6 will be 3 times S minus S squared over 2 plus 1/2 times S times 12, 6 times S minus 1/2 times S times S minus 1/2 S squared. As you can see, S squared here and here minus S squared cancels out, and we will left with 3 and 6. 9 times S equals to 36. Then divide both sides by 9 and S will be equal to 4. Okay, we find S as the side of this square here. All side of this square here is 4. Now let me remove these parentheses and equations. we calculate that A of total big triangle 36 and S, that is the side of this square, is 4. So the square area of a square equals to side of a square in power of 2 will be 16. Okay, as you can see, this shape here is actually a quarter of a circle with radius of this side, a square. This is the radius of this quarter circle. And since we found S to be 4, the area of this section here, as you can see, let me color that with blue. This blue section here, the area of this blue section will be area of quarter circle will be 1/4 times pi times the radius square. The radius is equal to S, and we found S to be 4. 4 squared equals to 16 over 4 times pi equals to 4 pi. Congratulations! We have all the information needed to find the area of the red region here. We can write area of a square equals to area of quarter circle plus area of red region. So we can write, we know area of a square is 16 equals area of quarter circle is 4 times pi plus area of red region. So by subtracting the area of this quarter circle from both sides of this equation, we will get minus area of this quarter circle, area of red region equals to 16 minus 4 pi. That is almost 3.4. Okay, our final answer is 3.4. If this clicked for you, subscribe to MathLand for new visual math lessons every week. Thanks for watching. See you next one.